Bob Clark from the U.S. Pavilion. I'm the Commissioner General for the United States. I've been so welcomed at your pavilion, and I very much appreciate you having me today. I learned a lot about your beautiful country and the 10 million people that live there, and we appreciate the friendship with your country.
My name is Bob Timms. I'm from Timms Holding Limited. We're a large multinational company. We're Hong Kong based, but we do business in 22 countries. And today I'm in your stall. I met Mr. Odin, and he's introduced me to your country and the various kinds of products that you have. I'm interested in meeting up with as many manufacturers and factories from Tajikistan to invite them to come and do business with us. We're building the largest export promotion hub here in Dubai with the government, and we're looking for people in 90 different industry categories, and I'll be very happy to come and visit you all, to meet up with all the companies through, of course, your Chamber of Commerce, and I look forward to doing business with Tajikistan.
I'm Julia and I'm from Slovakia, and I found the Tajikistan pavilion very nice, so I hope you will find it as well. So please be welcome and enjoy this pavilion.
Dr. David Meyer. I'm a professor of International Security and Global Studies at American University in the Emirates here in Dubai, and I'm happy to be visiting the Tajik pavilion here at EXPO 2020 and enjoying the art and wildlife and seeing the Tajik products. Thank you.
It's a very nice, very beautiful pavilion of Tajikistan. Thank you for invitation and welcome in Germany.